Welcome to your careers account. In this short video, we will highlight some of the main features and areas of this exciting online platform. Everything from booking careers appointments, looking at personalised events, right through to ring-fenced work experience opportunities for Cardiff University students. On the home page of your careers account, you can easily navigate via the top drop-down menu bars. If you're on a mobile device, you can find this by clicking on the three striped bars on the top right-hand corner of your screen. To view available appointments, click Book and then select Appointments. You can read the blurb to find out more about each appointment type, what is suitable for you, and then click the Appointment button to see a range of dates and time slots. In the Events tab, use the Calendar search or the filters to help you tailor your search. From here, you can read event descriptions before booking your place. You can access your booked appointments, events, and work experience applications via the icons on the home page and easily make any booking amendments here. You can use the Search Work Experience tab to view a range of opportunities. Use the filter system to search for different industries, different locations, and different schemes. You can apply directly through your careers account. Before applying, you might want to get your CV checked using the CV checker on your homepage. Here you can also access online mock interview practice to help you feel confident and prepared. Search careers account on the student intranet today and start discovering more.